Alright guys, I am super excited to share this with you. In this video, I'll show you how to find winning products in AliExpress to dropship. That's awesome, right? Before we go ahead and do that, just log into your AliExpress account. Once you've done that, we're gonna hover the mouse over our name here and then just click on My AliExpress. And we're gonna go and activate a new feature within AliExpress. As you can see here, and it says want to boost your drop shipping business. If you click here, then we'll be able to activate this new feature. Agree with AliExpress business agreement, yes, and click on submit. Once you've done that, you can see this new tab here saying drop shipping center, and this is bringing us 3 new features, which is so helpful when it comes to picking our winning products. Now, if we scroll down here, you can see all these new products up here is appearing, and that's appearing under hot drop shipping items. That is the first category. And to make you understand what it means, it's hot drop shipping items. Basically, these are products that are selling right now as hot cakes. You can see they have a lot of orders here, 4,000, 12,000, 8,000 orders here, which is awesome. And you are having like 250 different pages with these kind of products, basically. And in here also, you can go for a search by categories here. You can search by all categories, which is our right now. Or if you're going into a specific category, you can basically just move your mouse over here, hover your mouse over, and just sub-niche it in any way did you want to. Let's say home and garden. Then here are all the kind of products within home and garden that are selling like hotcakes right now. If you hover your mouse over home and garden, you can sub-niche it just by dragging the mouse over, maybe going into bathroom products. And well, let's see bathrooms, tumblers, and you can see the hottest products within this niche as well. The next tab that we're going to go through is trusted suppliers rank. If you click in there, you can see that by category you can sort here out. If you are looking for a really trustworthy supplier, of course you are doing that, but if you're looking for a trustworthy supply within a specific niche, you could just go by category here and just sort it out. Maybe you're selling like let's say kid stuff, and then you hover your mouse over mother and kids, and then you can like go with baby bedding, for example. Click there and you can see that this supplier, Bob's store selling Smile, is the best one. And we can open it up in a new tab and go in there and have a look. So you can see that it's been open for 5 years and have over 98% in positive feedback, etc. So if you were to open up a niche store within this kind of niche, then you could go with this supplier. So this is a great feature. Let me close this one. That is what trusted suppliers rank are basically, which is awesome. And the next tab is my favorite of them all, product analysis. If we click in here, there's empty, okay? But let me show you how to use this in order to find your winning products. So let's go over to hot dropshipping items once again. Don't forget to go through these 6 unwritten rules by price, supplier, weight, condition, images, and brands. So you would like to have a low price under $5 and you will be able to sell that for $20. We already went through this, but it's really important that you go by this list, because if you're buying a heavy item, for example, over 2 kilograms, then you or the person that's gonna buy this is having to pay a bit more on shipping, and you don't want to do that. We would like to be in the sweet spot to not have to pay too much for the shipping in order to make more money. So just by scrolling down here, we can take basically anything. Here we have some women's brushes. If you click into this, let me open this up in a new tab. If you click into this, what you have to do in order to, let me scroll up, use this product analysis tool is to copy this URL. I'm gonna copy it, Control C or Command C, depending on what kind of computer you're using. And then you just paste it in here and go for a search. And what this tool is helping you with is, wow, oh my God, this brush is selling it. It's really killing it right now. You will get a graph here on how much a day these brushes are selling. So how many orders these brushes are getting from dropshippers all around the world in AliExpress. So here you can see the volume. It's about over 500, around 500 a day, and it's a steady graph going down here, going up, going down, going up, and here it's going up again. So you can see over time span of 2 weeks here, you will be able to see the trend of this product. So this would be a great product. Do not please just copy paste this and try to sell this. You can try to sell this, but you understand what I mean. So this is a great product to be selling right now. It's selling like hotcakes basically. So if we go back to this tab, once again, hot dropshipping items, you can go in also within a niche here. So let's say that we are supposed to selling sports and entertainment, maybe a sport bag. If you click into sport bag, you can see also here the potential, the orders for these products. And just by, let's say that you want to sell this sport bag because you like how it looks, and you can also see that it's having a lot of orders. Let's click that up in a new tab and just copy this URL, go over here to product analysis, click in here and just paste that in here and go for a search. And you can see how many bags are selling, and you can see the trend here. If you were to only go in the orders here, for example, and you were to try to sell this through Facebook ads or whatever however you're selling this, you could see that it's selling really, really good, and then it just dies out, and it hasn't been selling for a week at least. So this is a bad product. Don't go out there and sell this right now. So you understand how powerful this tool is within AliExpress, and it's totally for free. Don't forget to activate it like we did in the beginning of the video, because the tab won't appear of itself. And here, logistic reliability is excellent, and that is for the store, meaning that it's excellent when it comes to shipping in time, and they don't have too much of like refunds and people are complaining about shipping, etc. So this is a great store. It can also say here like average and so on. So if you're not sure for the supplier, if you want to work with him or her or not, then you can right click here and open up in a new tab, and then you can go over and see what is wrong with the supplier and so on. What are people really complaining on here on the feedback, etc. So this is what you can do. But let me go back once again. So there are 3 different really awesome tabs in order for you to make sure that you're finding the winning product to sell on your Shopify dropshipping store. So go to hot selling dropshipping items here and just scroll around. You have so many pitches here that you go through. You can also sort them by category. So if you're having something in mind, then just sort it out here and make sure that you're following these guidelines. And then you can also go through the trusted suppliers rank here. And then once you're having the URL up here for the product, then you can go over here to product analysis and just paste that in, and you can see how it's working out right now. Is it selling like hotcakes, or is it a dead product? So you can see the trend, following the trend, and you will make a lot of money doing so. So go and use this right now. Okay, good luck now.